Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. We have an exciting topic to discuss, all types of Portugal visas. Portugal is a beautiful country with a rich history, stunning landscapes, and a growing economy. Whether you're planning to visit, work, study, or live in Portugal, understanding the different types of visas available is crucial. So, let's dive right in. The first type of visa we'll discuss is the Schengen Visa. This visa allows you to travel and stay in Portugal and other Schengen member countries for up to 90 days, within a 180-day period. It's perfect for short-term visits, tourism, or business trips. Just remember, it doesn't grant you the right to work or study. If you're planning to stay in Portugal for more than 90 days, you'll need a long-term visa. First up, we have the temporary stay visa. This visa is suitable for individuals who want to work, study, or engage in research activities in Portugal. You'll need to provide relevant documents such as a job offer, acceptance letter from a Portuguese educational institution, or a research project proposal. Another long-term visa is the residence visa. This is for those who plan to live in Portugal permanently or for an extended period. It includes the non-habitual resident (NHR) program, which offers tax benefits to foreigners moving to Portugal. To obtain a residence visa, you'll need to fulfill specific requirements and provide supporting documentation. For entrepreneurs and investors, Portugal offers the Golden Visa program. This visa allows non-EU citizens to invest in Portugal and obtain residency. Investments can include real estate, job creation, or capital transfer. The Golden Visa provides a pathway to Portuguese citizenship after a certain period, making it an attractive option for those seeking long-term opportunities. Lastly, let's talk about the student visa. Portugal has excellent universities and educational institutions that attract students from around the world. If you're planning to pursue your studies in Portugal, you'll need a student visa. This visa allows you to stay for the duration of your course and may offer opportunities for part-time work. So, those are some of the different types of visas available in Portugal. It's important to note that visa requirements and processes can change over time, so always check the official Portuguese consulate or embassy websites for the most up-to-date information. That's it for today's video. We hope this information helped you understand the various types of Portugal visas. If you found this video useful, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel and immigration-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.